All right, what up guys? So in regards to why I put such an emphasis, on taking the shoes off and kind of just, I don't know what I would really call it, but just like roaming around bare feet and getting a really good sense of connection with the ground. Another thing that I wanted to elaborate on is the use of like something like a balance pad. So there's AirX pads, which for some reason, I don't know why, they're like $60 more expensive than this guy that I got on Amazon. But it's a really good like sensory input for your whole foot and feeling like the connection in the ground. You can kind of get pretty fancy in regards to like what drill progressions you can do, as far as like some step backs, some just walk-ins, or just regular leg lifts and go, because I think it truly does give you that really good sensory input for like the specific and targeted goal. So if I have an athlete that's really struggling feeling the ground and having that ground connection and holding the ground connection or using the ground to increase our power output, then I would program a lot of things without shoes, barefoot things, barefoot activities, feeling the ground, and then obviously something like I just mentioned with this balance pad and just increasing the overall foot strength and stability, and even like ankle strength and stability, right? So even just programming some very simple like peak leg lift, hold, and then drive. I think the balance pad itself is a really good tool to maximize that sensation that you're getting for your foot and your ankle, and just being like, okay, that's the ground, and here we go. So yeah, I'm a big fan. Check it out. Amazon, 20 bucks, maybe 25, I'm not sure, but big fan of it.